Welcome to Atomchat Tutorials. Today, we'll walk you through integrating Atomchat to your Wix website. Please note that a Wix Premium plan is required to add custom code. Log into your Wix dashboard. Click on Edit Site. Choose the page where you want to embed Atomchat, or create a new page by selecting the Add Page option. Click Add Element in the section where you want the chat layout. From the drop-down, select the Embed Code option and then Embed HTML. Make sure that you adjust and expand the height and width of the frame to fit the chat layout appropriately. Now, let's add the code. Navigate to the documentation and copy the first code. Paste this code in the HTML code section of the embedded HTML element. Replace the app_id and auth key values in the code with your own keys from your Atomchat admin panel. From the left menu, click on Public Backend. Then, under Backend, select Add Web Module and rename the default .jsw file to atomchat.jsw. You will now see atomchat.jsw added as a page below. Open it. Above the export function, copy the second code from the documentation and paste it. Make sure to replace the API key with your own. Now, return to the page where you are adding the embedded layout. Copy the third code from the documentation and paste it here. Again, replace the app_ID and auth key values with your own keys. Save all the changes and hit preview to see Atomchat in action on your website. And there you have it, a smooth, interactive chat feature integrated into your Wix website with Atomchat. Please feel free to reach out to Atomchat's team for any assistance. Thank you for watching.